No.
Don't you see your mouse on one use and misuse people?
I can't see anything. I can just see this lines, answer sheet, craft tube, something.
You need to select the file, Mataji. You didn't hit select.
Yeah. I don't
Stop
want-
it. Stop doing that right now.
You see the PPT, you can just click on that, Mataji.
Stop.
Now, can you see?
Yeah, that one only you did. Double click it, you open that one.
Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yes. Okay, now you can see, right?
Yes, my slide.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So now, today you have, you know what, it is a little bit mixed because today is the second last day of our camp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now see, on Mondays, we have normally done something related to science and something related to what choices we are making. One time we did about Ekadashi, another we did about healthy body and healthy mind. So now, today we are going to talk about something like when you are having,
Mataji, do you want me to mute all, Mataji, and then you will unmute yourself?
I think they are muted. If somebody is talking, then we can unmute themselves. And
Okay. Okay, Mataji.
Okay, so now, see the title itself. What does it say? Somebody can read it for me. Varun, can you read the title for me?
Okay. My life, my choice.
Yes, right. So now, when this is the title, what are we going to do is, okay, we are going to see what are the choices we have and or what are the ways we have and what choices we are going to make. We'll have the questions asked at the end, okay, once we finish everything. So now we have to, okay, I'll not be able to see you for some time because it is obstructing my slide. Now remember, anything whichever we are using, okay, or whichever we have in this world, when you take a coin, okay, a normal coin also, if you take, every coin has also two sides, right? Or suppose if I take this, something which is there in front of me, this is going to have one side and the other side. So remember, everything is going to have two sides. One might be a good, one might be not so good. Okay. So now we are going to see some examples and see some things, how things are going to be there in the world around, and exactly what do I need to do so that I am doing the right thing. Okay. Everybody wants to do a right thing. Can you give me a thumbs up if you want to do the right thing always? Right. So now see over here, time to think. How do we know what is right and what is wrong? Right? There are so many things around. How do I know what is right and wrong? And then we have, okay, but there should be someone who can guide me for it. How many of you feel, right? Somebody should be there to guide you. Very good. Very good, Lipika. Very good, Keshavi. So then, and what is good, what is bad? We all need to know exactly. And when we do not know this, we make wrong choices, right? And one wrong choice can give us a wrong direction. Suppose I need to go to, you know what, I need to go to the temple. And if I take a way where I'm going to Houston, will I reach my Kalachanji temple ever? No way, right? My route is going to be totally different, right? If I need to go to Florida, can I go to somewhere to Tennessee? No, that route is going to be totally different. So we have to understand what is it that is going to help me. Now we are going to see one thing at a time. There are many points. So we are going to see education. How many of you feel education is good? Everyone feels education is good? I'm going to see some of you more, okay? Everybody feels very good. Ojasvi feels it. Akshita feels it. Education is good. And do you feel that we can misuse the education also? Arjun is confused. How am I going to misuse the education, right? Okay, now let us see how people are going to do that as well. See? Many of you have, yes? Yeah, many of you must have seen that your some boys or some girls who are bigger than you have phones with them, right? Yeah. So when you have phones with them, Have you seen small children also playing on their phones?
Yes.
You have seen, right, Harini? You have seen. So now when they are playing on their phones, you can unmute and answer. Mataji, they can be unmute, and then if we feel, then we can mute them, okay? Vinita Gandharvika Mataji?
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah. You can raise your hand and then answer, okay? So now when there are phones, see, now we have our class on the phone. We have so many notifications on the phone. Whatever things you are going to need, that is posted on the phone. Your WhatsApp group is on the phone. And also there are people who are continuously stuck up on the phone day and night. Phone. So what do you feel? Should I stop using phone? Anika, can you answer me?
Okay, I think yeah, we should stop a little and only like it's bad to see it for all day and all night.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good. Who am I? Did I need to unmute? Yes. Somebody I told. Yeah. I asked to unmute someone. I could not see the name of this person behind the space. Space is behind him. Yes, you. I don't see your name. I don't know why.
Me?
Yes, you.
So what were we saying again?
Are we having a limited phone or no phone? What do you feel?
I feel we are having some phone, but it's not good to have so much phone.
Very good. Okay. So we are going to see how phones can be good and how phones can be bad. Good thing is, Jagannath, we have seen. Good thing is what, Jagannath, you know what? I cannot see your face because it is getting, I think you have some backdrop and that is coming on your face. I can see Lord Krishna in your face. Okay. Yes.
Phones can be used in a good and bad way. The good way is like if you're joining like this class, if you're joining it, that's a good way because it's related kind of to Krishna because we're learning about Krishna. And the bad way is that when we like if we're watching like games in it or we're watching TV on the phone on YouTube, then that's like a very kind of bad way.
Very good. Very good. Was this Twisha who said this? Who was speaking? Yes. Twisha. Okay.
Mataji,
Yes.
can I say one more way? It's a good and bad way.
Who is this?
Bhakti.
Yes, Bhakti.
So the bad way is that you can also like ruin your eyes with it, and you cannot use it for too much.
Okay.
The good way is sometimes there are like bhajans and lectures on the phone, so you can listen to that.
Yes. Okay. So now we go with
Excuse me, but I want to add something to what he just said.
Okay, go ahead, Bhuvan. Go ahead. After that, we'll go with our slides. Yes, Bhuvan.
Okay, well, I have something to say, which is that you can make popcorn just by using the phone. That's how hot it is.
Yes, but the radiations are not good. Okay, now we'll go with the slide. We'll go with the slide, and at the end, I will have you answer. Okay.
Mataji, you're not on spotlight.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do this part. Okay.
Mataji,
Yeah. Now see, when you have phones,
Mataji, this is Keshav. I want to say something.
I will ask you to say it at the end. Okay. Once we finish all the presentation. Okay. So now, when you have your social media, see to it that you're mute so that everybody can hear. Otherwise, I'll have to mute everyone. Thank you so much. So see, when you are using technology, it can be in a good and a bad way. So some of the bad people use it to bully others. Some of them use to text very horrible messages, which are not good, threatening messages. And some of them, like you all good kids, what you can do, you might be using it to see some kirtan, some live lecture, some classes. So everything is going to be either good or bad. Now this is a very dangerous situation of the phones, right? That means sometimes when the people are driving, they are texting. And sometimes, see, some of them are cheating on the exams when they are doing this. So that is one of a misuse of a technology. You have seen over here kids, they are just busy with their phones. See, they're just hanging on with their friends. They are all with the phones and their toys are aside and they are not bothered about playing. So this is also not a good thing to do. But then what about the positive thing about any technology? We are not only talking about phone. When you're talking about technology, what is the good thing? See, many of your schools, you have that you have to take screenshots of some things, your homeworks are sent on the phone or on your emails, and then see group classes are done this. So there is a very good use of technology as well, right? Now we come to a very important point which is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, now what do you see over here in this? Ojasvi, can you answer? What do you see over here in this?
I see knife.
Knives you see. Very good. Okay, so now these are knives are present over here, but if you see clearly, Moksha, can you tell me what do you see over here?
I see different kinds.
Different kinds of knife. Very good. And now these knives are basically surgical knives. Okay, so when it is a surgical knife, Arjun, can you tell me who uses surgical knife?
Doctors.
Doctors use surgical knife. So if doctors are using surgical knife, Lipika, can you tell me, are they using to save someone or are they using it to kill someone?
They're using it to save someone.
Very good. So now I want somebody else to answer. Keshav, when they are using it to save someone, are these surgical knives good to use?
Yes, because they will save somebody from dying.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now we are going to go on to the next slide. Over here, Jagannath. Now what type of knife do you feel this is?
Punished, like they punish with this sword.
This is a knife which is used by the wrong people, by the bad people who might be using it to kill, to murder, or to do all sorts of wrong things, right? So is this, no. So Garima, can you tell me if this knife, is it good to use or not good to use?
Not good to use.
Not good to use. Jalak, can you tell me what happens if this knife is used?
Obviously, peachable.
What?
What will happen if people use this knife to kill someone? What will be the consequences?
Wait, Abhi.
Karma will come to you. Bad karma.
Okay, yes, okay. Unmute yourself, okay? I'm going to tell persons to unmute. Ujjwal Nitai, can you unmute and answer?
What is the question?
What will happen if people, civilians, are going to use this and cause trouble?
There's lots of sound. I cannot hear you.
Yeah.
Okay, what will happen if somebody is going to use
Actually, there's too much noise.
Yeah.
Mute you all now. Mute all.
Can you mute yourself?
What is it?
Mute
Okay, please mute yourself. Mataji, can you mute everyone? I will
muted you. Mataji, I will mute everyone.
Yeah.
Mataji, now you unmute yourself, Mataji, please.
Yeah. Yes, Ujjwal Nitai, now you can answer me. What will happen if this knife is used by normal people to create a disturbance? Will they be punished or will they be rewarded?
They will be punished.
They will be punished, right? So now we will go to the further slides and see. So see, knife is same. Over here also we have a knife and over here also we have a knife. But it depends upon what are you using it for. Okay? If this knife is going to use to be kill people and it is not by law, you will be punished. Same thing with the gun, right? Now you see there is a police over here. Then we see that there is a army man over here, right? Prilasya, what do you think? If a police is going to use the gun and an army man is going to use the gun, will he be punished by the government?
So if a police is gonna use a gun, that means he's trying to like track down the bad guys.
So he'll not be punished, right?
Yeah. But then for the army guy, I don't know, because he might be punished, but he might not be punished because people like fight for the country, and then probably
fighting for the country, they will not be punished by law because they are fighting for the country on the order of the government, right? So they will not be punished by law. Now the same gun in the hand of a terrorist and in the hand of a hunter. Harini, what do you feel? Is it good to have the gun in the hand of a terrorist and in the hand of a hunter? Is it good? Harini, you can unmute and answer. Prahlad, you can unmute and answer.
No. Yes, Mataji. It's like it's used for like killing or like doing something bad for someone.
Yeah. So will that person be punished?
Yes.
But both are using guns. So how is it different? Police
It's different. It's different because each one is using it for a different reason.
Very good, right? So now we have to make a choice that do I need to be with people who are going to be wrong, or do I need to be with people who are going to make the right choices, right? Do I need to be people around who say, oh, you know what, Bhagavad Gita class, do not attend it, forget it, we can go and play? Or do I need to be with such friends or such people who say that, yes, this is important and I need to study this? So that is my life and my choice. Okay. And we have to remember what choices we are making. See, there is an example. There is a big story, right? That a person had a good apple, a box of good apple. And then in that, he saw that there was one bad apple remaining in that. He said, oh no, you know what, maybe it's just one bad apple, I'll remove it later on. And he got lazy and he kept that bad apple in that big box of good apples. Eventually what happened? This bad apple, because it had fruit over it, because it was bad, it went on spoiling the whole bag of apples. So this one bad association can make the whole good apples wrong. Okay, it can lead the whole bag of apples go rotten. So you have to make a good choice. If you see your friends, among your friends, someone which is not a good association, we are not calling them bad, okay? Because every person has some good things and some bad things in them. We are not calling them bad. But if somebody is not good for your Krishna consciousness, you have to see that you have to distance from them, okay? You can preach to them, you can tell them, but do not take their bad things with them. So you have to make a right choice. Second thing is about pesticides, right? See, science has given us so many things, and then we make pesticides and we make so many things so that we can have a wide variety of crops with us and we can get good money out of it, right? But if that same pesticides are going to kill the bees, are going to kill the other living beings, that is not a good choice, right? We have to go back to nature. So it is again our choice. What are we going to choose? And is that there is no other choices? Yes, we have. Like our cow has the cow urine, that is also used in making fertilizers. The cow dung, that is also used. So there are so many natural ways by which we can use science. Okay, so science can go hand in hand, in a bad way also, in a good way also. We have to choose what way we are going to do. Now second example is again from our Bhagavad Gita. Okay, second is from our Bhagavad Gita. Now see, what do you see over here? Balavrinda, can you tell me what do you see in this picture? Yes, Balavrinda, can you unmute and answer?
Yeah, Mataji, there is bad food in their mouth.
Okay, I'll ask somebody else also, okay? So I want to ask, whom should I ask? Khushi, what do you see over here? You can unmute and answer. What is this? What do you feel this is? I can't hear you. Okay, Anagya? Anybody? What is this? What do you feel this is?
Someone's tongue is tangled.
Yes, okay. So you can mute yourselves, okay? Don't make noise. See, this tongue is tingled because why? The tongue does not have bones in it, right? That's the science behind it. So when you are talking to someone, because God has given you a tongue, that does not mean that we are going to use in any way we want. Because a tongue is sharper than a blade, okay? Because a tongue can pierce in your heart. It can lead to someone being offended at a very high degree. Okay, you can offend someone very bad if you are going to talk wrong. If you are going to talk bad to that person is not going to feel good about it. It can break a person's heart, right? If you get a wound somewhere, that wound will eventually heal. But if your heart breaks, it becomes very hard to get it together. Okay, so a tongue can be used to break, or you can have good words spoken by a tongue, and then you can have good friends made, or you can use your tongue in such a way that you are going to break friends with it. So see to it that your tongue is used in the right way. See, when it is Krishna Prasadam, when we are having Krishna Prasadam, we are using your tongue to use it to taste the Prasadam of the Lord. You are using your tongue to sing the glories of the Lord. So everything can be used in a good way and a bad way, right? Suppose you have a younger sister and a younger baby sister, and that sister is crying. You can either say, oh, stop crying, I don't like your noise, come on, keep quiet. You can say that, or you can pick up your baby sister or baby brother and cuddle them and then say, oh, what happened? You will see that the baby sister feels so nice and you will form a bond with him or her, right? Everybody give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you feel. What is it? Is it true? Right? Very good, Sevya. So your tongue can be used in a right way or in a wrong way. So be careful how we are using our things, right? So for everything this, you know what, to think in a right way, you need to have compassion in your heart. Now many of them will ask, what does compassion mean? Anybody knows what does compassion mean? You're raising your hand. Who is raising hand? Who can answer me? 14 participants are raising hands. Let me see who is raising hand. Those who haven't answered, I'm going to ask them, okay? So please don't feel. Mishti, can you answer me? Mishti Ethereal?
Hare Krishna Mataji, compassion means when you see someone like feeling bad or anything, you go and you help them. You can be compassionate either when you've experienced the same feeling or you actually feel like you actually feel bad for the person. Like if someone's feeling sad, you feel sad for them.
Very good, right? So this compassion in your heart, that will make kindness, understanding mentality for others, okay? So that is very, very important for us to have. When you have compassion, you will not be rude to others, you will not be bad to others, and you will try to do as good as possible, okay? And it is not only that, okay, only Krishna consciousness, only that means I have compassion. No, each and every religion tells you to be compassionate, okay, to be good to others. Now how do I know? We asked the first question over here again, right? How do I know what is right and how do I know what is wrong? Who is going to tell me? How do I make a right choice? Because when I'm there in the world, there are going to be some people who are going to say a number 6, okay? That is the best example. If you have a number 6 written, if I see it like this, I'm going to see it 6, and if I put it upside down, it is going to look as a 9. Some people will say, oh, it is a 9. Some will say it is 6, right? A person, if it is standing over here and a 6 is written, he will see 6. Sorry, I did not make up that slide over here. A person who is standing on the right hand side will say, no, it is 9. So everybody will have a different view. So you have to understand what is right and wrong. But again, the same question, how do I know that? And that is the answer which we get from the Srimad Bhagavatam, from the Bhagavad Gita, right? Everything, if you start reading the Srimad Bhagavatam, if you start reading Srimad Bhagavatam, you will understand that all your questions are getting answered. There are so many things which you do not know, and if you start reading the Srimad Bhagavatam, you will get answers to it. If you start listening to all our acharyas, you will get your answers to it. Okay, see over here, if you see this slide over here, I'm going to read out a little bit for you. What does it say? That Srimad Bhagavatam is an incomparable treasure house of Krishna's pastimes, and by studying the Srimad Bhagavatam, it can, or our children can get spiritual knowledge, language, and regional skills. I'm going to post this in the WhatsApp group also, okay, so that you all can read it. So it will give your critical thinking, your writing, your learning, your vocabulary, your storytelling, everything under one roof. So everybody has, you should start reading Srimad Bhagavatam at least 5 pages a day, at least 2 pages a day. Read your Bhagavad Gita, which is going to help you. Your knowledge will increase, and people will say, oh, how do you know so many things? Then you can tell that it is because of Srila Prabhupada that I know all these things, right? Everybody agree to it? How many of you agree to it? How many of you agree to it? Okay, Khushi agrees. Sevya is agreeing to it. Who else is agreeing to it? I see Jagannath is agreeing to it. Very nice. Okay, now I want, anybody has a question. I see Balaram and Subhadra are also agreeing to it. Very good. Keshavi is also agreeing. Okay, anybody has a question over here? Who has? Okay, we can take one question. Garima, you can ask a question and then we'll go to the next part. Yes, Garima.
I don't actually have a question. I raised my hand to let you.
Okay, so I'm going to lower the hands, and if anybody has a question, we'll take one question and then move to the next activity. Does anybody have a question, any concern in whatever we did today? I see Sat 7. Is it Satvik? No. Okay.
Mataji?
Yes. You had a question?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't. Can you show the picture that you showed, that terrorist and the hunter's gun?
Okay, 1 second. I'll come back to it. Yeah. Can you see this?
One?
Yes.
The 12th one, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Who is going to be punished?
Both of them.
The hunter or the terrorist?
Both of them, because the hunting is not allowed by law and not about the endangered species, right? Because then it is no compassion. You have no compassion for animals. Though hunting will be allowed by law, it is not good, because it is not going to be allowed by your compassionate heart. Can you go and kill anyone? If I cannot kill any human being, why should I go and kill an animal, right? The animals are also made by Krishna. The jungle is given to them. They are staying over there. I'm going in the jungle. I'm killing an animal. How mad can I be that I go in somebody's house and I kill them? So that is also going to be punished by law. And if it is not going to be punished by the law of the country, when this person goes back to Godhead or back up, he is going to be punished because of his karma. Okay?
Okay. Thanks, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, now kids, what are we going to do is, we are going to move to our next activity. How many of you have your a needle, a thread, and some beads with you? Yeah. This is very big. Take another one. How many of you have? Show me. On the video you can show.
Beads, Amma.
Okay, I'm going to show you a tiny one. Okay. See, a needle which has, you know what, if you are really interested in doing some activities, you can get a, okay, wait, let me see if I'm on spotlight. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. See, there is something like this. You will get a case. Where am I? Okay, you can see me? Okay. Okay, see now, see there is a needle. This needle is a little bit tiny, okay? Because it has to go into, I'm going to give you this, Ashutosh. Okay? Or if it, after I do, I'll show it to you. Just see to it, this needle is okay. Keep it perfect into this, poke it. Always have like this with you so that you can poke the needle and keep so that the needle does not poke you. Now, I have, either you can take a normal thread or I have something over here is called as a nylon thread. Okay, that's a different material because this material is like it is very stiff. It does not break very fast. So now what okay, what I'm going to do is I have beads over here and I'm going to show you what beads I have. Okay, see, this is a pearls. I got it from Michael's or from Walmart. I can get this. Everybody can see this. Okay, I am going to, can you all unmute yourselves? Yeah, okay, you all can unmute, right? Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask. So see, this is the pearls I have. I am going to remove this over here. And then what I'm going to do is, how many of you have, you can show me on the video so that we can start doing it together.
Mataji?
Yes.
I don't have a Bal Gopal, but I have a small puppet. So is it okay if I use big beads?
Yes, you can use that also. So what are we going to do is, first we are going to thread it. But remember, now this is the bead is small, right? So what I'm going to do is, I put it once and no matter how many knots I put, it is going to come out of that bead. Okay, so what I do is I will take it in this and then I am again going to put it through that same bead. Okay, once I put it, again I'm going to put it.
Are you going to Mataji, what do I do again? What do I do?
Take a bead. How many of you took a bead? Can I see you on video? Yes, very good. Take a bead, then you put the thread through it so that you are going to make a little knot on that. Okay, maybe you can take it twice or thrice also you can take so that you make a knot into it. Now see, when I have this hanging over here, this bead is going to hang and it is not falling off. All are done with that? Yes, very good, Krishna Priya. I'm going to show you one and then we will do the second one. First, I'm going to put I'm going to put in one go, I will put 4 beads now. See, 4 beads are there in this.
It's okay.
Once you put the 4 beads, then you can tell me.
Mataji, I'm done with the 4 beads. Mataji, can you repeat what we do?
Good job. I'm going to show you. See, what I'm going to do is, I'm putting my thread into my needle, okay? Once I put a thread into the needle, now,
Mataji, you have to make the knot for this?
Yeah, that's what. See, a knot, you can try putting a knot to it, but the knot is going to be very tight.
Mataji,
I already have some knotted thread, so then I just strung the beads onto the thread like this.
Yeah, just
Mataji, after we put the 4 beads, what do we do?
Mataji, I have a question.
I'm coming. You can have a little bit. Wait for others, okay?
After we put the 4 beads, what do we do, Mataji?
Yes, I'm telling you 1 second. Ashok, can you put it?
What do you
Mataji, can you tell the steps from the beginning?
I'm telling you again. 1 second, wait. Now see, what I'm going to do is, see, when you do the 4 beads together, you have to see, I'm going to show you again. See, 1 bead. Just pay attention to what I'm doing, okay? Second bead. Now, the beads are there. Now what I do is, the first bead which I had, I am going to put my needle from the first bead which I took.
Are we making jump?
Are we making? We can make a necklace out of it. Or we can make a bracelet also out of it. 1 second.
Mataji, can you say that again?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm going to show you. 1 second. Wait.
Right.
See, what I'm going to do is, I am going to cut this again and show you, because you want to see it again.
Mataji,
Yes.
is the first bead counted as one of the 4?
Yes. See, I'm 1 bead. I'm again going to show you. Those who did not see it from the beginning, please see this, okay? See. Now, I am going to put first, I'm going to put the first bead. Okay? When I put the first bead, remember, I should not knot it over here. Okay? So, oh Krishna. You have to put your needle from the first bead.
We don't knot it.
There's too much noise.
Yeah, please mute yourself, otherwise you will not be able to.
No.
Wait.
There's too much noise.
1 second, 1 second. See this,
Every time, yeah.
it is going to be a little bit more of patience, okay? Regular thread, because many of you do not have the nylon thread. So for you all, I am showing it again. Okay, see, I made a knot with the thread. Then I put my first bead, but that first bead might come out of it because the knot is very small. So what do? I put my thread again through that, and I put a knot to it over there. So that first bead gets secured. See, like this. Everybody had this done? Shri, could you do it?
This right?
Mataji, I don't understand.
Yes, that is right. See, that is right.
Like this?
Mataji, I don't understand how you do it.
Okay, now let me do all the 4 beads and then I will come back to it, okay?
Mataji, is this right? Mataji, like this?
Who is this?
Parikshit Mataji.
Yeah, Parikshit.
Mataji, how much
beads
beads do you need? How
Okay,
much beads do you need?
First put 4 beads. Okay? First put 4 beads. 4 beads over here. Then the very first bead which you have put, you have to put your thread again through the first bead. When you put it through the first bead, it is going to make a square like this. Can you see the square? Okay. So you put your 4 beads and again put the needle through the very first bead which you put. Very good, Shri. Very good, Moksha. Very good, Ojasvi.
Mataji, I don't understand how to make a square.
Now, a second time when you are doing it, we will put 3 beads. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now just see, you will get it once we do a 2 or 3, you will get to know what we did exactly.
I put all 4 beads on.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do, again I'm going to do the last bead which was there. That is my first bead. See. See. You get this?
I still don't get how to do it.
Who is
Can
it?
you show us that again, Mataji?
Where is, how many of you are not getting
Mataji. Mataji, and I also don't know how to make the knot.
Okay.
Mataji, I didn't get the next step after you showed us.
Mataji?
I still don't understand it.
Okay, you know what now?
Yes, Mataji. What Mataji did you call me?
I think it's getting it. I don't know.
They get it, Mataji. You are showing, na?
We're getting it, Mataji. Don't be disheartened.
Okay, again I'm going to show you. Again I removed my beads from there, and again I'm going to sew it. Because once you know to do these 4 things, 4 beads and everything, then you will be able to do it. You know what? I'm going to have.
Mataji, can you show how to do the square part again?
Yes. Mataji, is my video spotlighted? Okay, I'm going to escape this.
Mataji, you are spotlighted, Mataji. You should be spotlighted so kids will understand.
Okay, now see again. Everybody pay attention to what I'm doing. Because now I'm going to show it over here again. See. This is my first bead, okay? If you have a nice knot over here, then your bead is going to stay. Everybody done with that?
How to make the knot, Mataji?
You remember how we did when we were doing sieving? We just did it like this, and I turn it, and I get a knot.
I don't know how to do that, Mataji.
You know what? Just turn your finger around it and twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And then pull it. See, a knot will come like this. You can see. Just put a finger around it. If mom or dad is there, Bhakti, just tell them to put a knot.
You're in my spot, Poppy.
Once this is there, then I have to put another 3 beads. Wait, Ashita.
Mataji, what do you do after you do the square?
Okay, 1 second, let me tell some of them.
Mataji, what do you do?
Mataji, can I show you the square? I think I got it.
Yes, very good, Balaram and Subhadra.
Mataji, this is Akshita. I did the square.
Where is Akshita? Okay, 1 second, let me see Akshita.
But now I guess everyone.
Where is Akshita?
Mataji, I'm going to I'm showing it. Thank you.
Yes, very good. See, okay?
Mataji,
Is this
can
the
you
way?
show the Can you show it again?
Yes. Now you have to see what I'm doing. If you are going to pay attention, you will know. See, these are 4 beads. Everybody pay attention over here.
Mataji, is it like this?
First bead, second bead, fourth bead. So this is my very first bead. Okay. See now. This is my first bead, then the second bead, the third bead, and the fourth bead. Once I have this, I am going to put my needle through the only the first bead, not all beads. See? Can you see this? Only the first bead I am putting my needle through. When I put my needle through the first bead, then what happens is, it forms a square. Everybody got it? Then second, what I do now I have to put only 3 beads. Okay? Now I have to put only 3 beads.
Mataji, I really don't understand. Can you do it really slow? Because I don't know how you make the square. Like we put 4 beads and then how do you make the square?
Okay. Once you make the 4 beads, then you have to name it. First bead, second bead, third bead, fourth bead, right? So the very first bead which was there, you have to put the needle again through the first bead. You get it?
Yeah, yeah.
But there isn't gonna be so much space, isn't it?
No.
Yeah.
I understand then.
See,
I understand.
this is the second. I put up a second one. See, I'm going to have my thumb. Can you see this? Can you see this over my thumb?
Mataji, is this right?
Okay, let me see who is showing it to me. Okay, who is it? Let me 1 second. Why? Yes, very good, Prahlad. Very good. Why are you not getting spotlighted, Prahlad? Okay, Prahlad.
Prahlad is spotlighted.
Could you show us after the square? Can you show us that last clip again?
Put the needle after putting the 3 beads.
Yeah, once you have the first square bead.
Mataji, is this right? Mataji?
That's okay. Yes,
Mataji.
yes, very good. Very good, Ujjwal Litai.
Mataji, when you put the, I made this part, but I don't know what to do next.
Next, you have to put, see, once you do this, then just put three. Okay, I'm going to show you with different colored ones. Okay, now. No, different colored ones are not good. Okay.
If I had like one diamond.
Now what I do is, one. Okay, pay attention. If you are going to pay attention, you will be able to do it. See, now when I'm going to do the next one, I am doing 3 beads now. First one you had 4 beads. Next you just have 3 beads. See, the 3 beads are coming down. Then what I do is, whatever was the earlier bead you had, from that I am going to put it.
So Mataji, do I use I use 3 beads. Do I put it in this bead? I put it in the
very first bead.
Right now, just stop. Just stop and what do I do? Get out of my lab. Come on. What do I do?
Wait, I'm trying. Let me get it, then I can tell you what.
Mataji, how do you do that stuff? Like, I put 3 beads, but then what do you do next?
Next you have to take the... Okay, now see, everybody is going to pay attention over here. Okay, see, when I make the beads, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 over here already. Everybody is looking over here. Otherwise, you will not understand what I'm doing. See, now this top bead which is there, that is going to be my first bead when I'm going to make the, when I have to make a chain. No, you have to first listen and then we will go with the question. See, this top which is there, that will be my, okay. So what I'm going to do is now I am going to, who is that? I am going to use only 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3. Because why am I using only 3 beads? Because this one over here, which is the top one, is my first bead now. What I do is, only first time I use 4 beads. Other times I'm going to use only 3 beads. I put over here. See, everybody is seeing this? And this top one which is there. See, now I'm going to put it over here. See, this top one which is there at the very end, that is going to be my base bead. Okay, base bead means what? From that bead, I am going to take my needle again. See, this one over here, I'm going to take my needle again from that. So it makes a loop. See, it makes a loop like this. And then to make it more tight, I will just put my needle through the another 2. And then I make a chain like this. See? You're getting it? Anybody has a question over it? I know you all are having questions over it. You can raise your hand and then I can unmute you, okay? I'm sorry if this is being tough for you. If anybody has done it, can you show me it too in the picture? Bhakti, do you want to show me what you're doing? Show me, Bhakti. Very good, Bhakti. Yes. Now what you do is just put 3. The last, remember, listen, Bhakti. The last bead which you have put over here, that is your first bead now. Okay? So put only 3 and then take the needle through that first bead which is there. First bead in sense, this last one. Yeah, the 4th bead. Yeah, that. Okay, so put only 3 and take it through that. Anybody else has any question? Can you raise your hands and I can ask you? Shri, do you want to show me what you are doing? See, again, for those who are doing it, I'm again going to show you. See. Yeah, go ahead, Shri. Let me see what you are doing. If you are only able to make this also, then also you are good, because you know what, your Bal Gopal, his hands can have this. See, if you have it over his hand also, it is going to be good. Yes, show me. Yeah. So now the 4th one which is there, you take your needle through that. Okay. Anybody else has a question? Yeah. The 4th. Yes. Very good. The blue one which is there. Yeah, the first blue which is there after the orange. Yes, that blue. Take your needle from that blue. Below that. Okay, anybody has any question? You want to raise your hands and ask. She is there. Who else has a question? Krishna Priya, you have a question? Krishna Priya? You had a question? You raised your hand? Bhakti, you have a question? You raised your hand? Aviyukta has a question. Bhakti, wait, why is Bhakti not? Okay, unmute all. Okay, 1 second, you can unmute all. Yeah, you should be able to unmute yourself now, Bhakti.
Mataji, I put it through the first bead, but I got in a knot like this.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to show you. Wait. See, 1, then 2, and 3. Okay.
Mataji, I think I got it. Is it like?
Yeah, only the thing is what happens, see, you do not have to move it a lot. See, once this 3 beads go, you have to secure this with your hand like this. And then you have to concentrate on the 4th bead. Take it around. Do not let it knot. And then just pull it and keep your thumb over it. When you keep your thumb over it and then pull it, then you just move it like this and it gets secured. Then what you do is, there are 2 beads. You just put your needle through another 2 beads and then you make it tight. See?
Mataji, also my knot, it's here. I think, is it supposed to be at the bottom because it's on the top?
Mataji?
Wait, let me see, okay? Yeah, that is perfect. Now what you do is, yeah, that is right. It is right. You know what you do it. There are more 2 beads on the head of it, Bhakti. You can put your needle through that so that it comes on the top like this.
So do I put it in, which bead do I put the needle in?
These 2 beads on the pink ones which are there. Yeah, in the 2 pink ones you can put the needle through. So it comes at the top.
How do I put them through? Do I just
put the needle through it with the thread.
Mataji?
Yes.
This is Riddhika and this one's mine.
Okay, let me see, Riddhika. Very good, Riddhika. Awesome job. Wonderful. Very nice. Perfect. That's right. Now go on doing. You will keep on doing it. Keep on doing it, because once you come to know how to do it, you will go on and on doing it.
Mataji?
1 second. Khushi, you have something to ask? I'm
Did you
spotlighting.
sit like this?
No, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji?
You know what? I'm going to again wait. I will have to just send one thing at a time. You have to tighten it a little bit. You are half the way right, Bhakti. Yes, Shri. Others who have questions? Satvik, Garima. Yes, very good. Very good.
Mataji.
Mataji? Mataji, what do I do after this?
You
I have a question.
See, once you can go on making that, and suppose you come to the end of that point, then what we have to do is,
Mataji?
yes.
What
I can just put a thread through it.
How many more minutes is this class?
Done. We are done.
Almost done.
I don't know how to tighten it.
What I do is, after I'm done, I can just put a. See, what I do is, after I'm done, I can just put a thread through this, because if you might not have a ribbon, and then it can become a necklace for your Bal Gopal, or if like a finger, right? It can be a ring like this on your Bal Gopal. So you can make a little bit more longer, and then you can keep it at the neck of your Bal Gopal.
Mataji, is this right?
And don't worry, I will send you another video so that it will become easy. Yes, Bhakti, very good. Yes, Bhakti. But don't worry about the entangled things. Anybody, Garima has a question? Lipika?
Mataji, I
Yes.
tried to do this, but then it just came out looking like this.
Okay, you know what? The beads are long ones, huh? But
Mataji, I'm trying, but the bead is falling out.
You will have to, the very first bead which you do, let your needle go through that first bead at least 2 to 3 times so that it will become a knot. Okay, Lipika?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji, I think we are time for our second class. Kids, you know what? I will again try to send a detailed video so that you have a detailed look at what each step is. Okay? Right now, I'll make a video and send it so that you can have a look at it. Okay, so, and I'm going to say something in the WhatsApp. Yes, Gopal, Govinda.
What is the next class name? Yoga class?
Class is your Devanagari script and your Narsimha Kavacham.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji.
Vrinda Mataji and Jyoti Mataji, are you there?
Yes, Mataji. I think, Mataji, we are not breaking the rooms today.
Okay. So don't, if you know need for breaking the room, then you can go ahead with it.
Okay.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Yeah. So I need to share.
Did I stop? I stopped sharing, right?
Yeah, but
not a co-host, Mataji. I'll make her one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Vrinda Mataji and both of them are in the same room.
Yeah. They're in the same. Yes, Mataji. Now, Jyoti.
Thank you, Mataji. Now I can share.
Can you leave this room?
No. Why are you leaving?
Oh, it's in the same room. Okay.
It's in the same room today. We are not breaking anything. Okay. Mataji, you on your video. Mataji, I'll spot you.
Yeah.
Jyoti Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
No, Poppy.
Thank you, Sita Priti Mataji, for beautifully explaining for making jewelry for Balagopal. That was so nice. So kids, we'll start our Narsimha Kavacham recitation. Are you all ready?
Narsimha will protect you.
Yeah, Narsimha will protect us. So we'll start. We'll start. Narasimha Kavacham Vakshe Prahlade Noditam Pura Sarvarakshaakaram Punyam Sampatkaram Jaiva मोक्षप्रदायकम् अथो नरसिंहं देवसिंहासनस्थितम् शास्त्रं त्रिनयनं समप्रभम् विस्मितवामाङ्गम् कोमलाङ्गम् कर्णकुण्डलशोभितं सरोजशोभितो रसम्
रत्नाकेयूरमुद्रितं
सदृशो भवेत् चिन्तितं So we learn the last word today, translation. So tomorrow we can recite the entire document. Okay? Please repeat after me. Thank you.
मॉम के साथ
गर्जन्तम
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 गर्जयन्तम
गर्जयन्तम
गर्जन्तं गर्जयन्तं
गर्जयन्तम
निज भुज
निज भुज चलम
कोटयन्तं गर्जन्तं गर्जयन्तं निज भुज पटलम
Mataji, there's too much noise. Yeah, Mataji.
Mataji, could we?
Mataji, can I read the translation?
Let's finish, then you can get to read. Mataji, can you?
Yeah, now you unmute yourself, Mataji. So then, can you unmute yourself, Mataji? So Mataji, you don't want kids to unmute you?
Yeah, Mataji, maybe 2 or 3 kids, just 2 or 3 kids you can unmute.
Okay. Kids who raise their hands, I'm unmuting them.
Okay, okay, Mataji, thank you.
गर्जन्तम
So please repeat. Garjantam garjayantam
गर्जन्तम गर्जयन्तम
Nija bhuja patalam
निज भुज पटलम
Pothayantam Patantam Garjantam garjayantam Nija bhuja patalam Spotayantam Hatantam Rupyantam Tapayantam Divi bhuvi Ditijam Rupyantam Tapayantam Divi bhuvi Ditijam Kshepayantam Kshipantam Kshepayantam Kshipantam Rupyantam Tapayantam Divi bhuvi Ditijam Kshepayantam Kshipantam Krandantam Ghoshayantam Krandantam Ghoshayantam Dishi Dishi Satam Randantam Goshayantam Dishi Dishi Satatam Samharantam Bharantam Samharantam Bharantam Randantam Goshayantam Dishi Dishi Satatam Samharantam Bharantam Vikshantam Vikshantam Bhurnayantam Vikshantam Bhurnayantam Karanikara Satet Divya Simham Namami Vikshantam Bhurnayantam Karanikara Satet Divya Simham Namami
Mataji, can I read the translation?
Say the translation.
Mataji, can I read the translation?
What is your name?
Ramachandra.
Okay.
Can I read it, Mataji?
Okay, Satvik, go ahead.
Lord Narasimha roars loudly and causes others to roar. With his multitudes of arms, he tears the demons asunder and kills them in this way. He is always seeking out and tormenting the demonic descendants of deity, both of this earth planet and in the higher planets, and demons in all directions. Yet, with his unlimited hands, he sustains, protects, and
Nourishes
the cosmic manifestation. I offer my respectful obeisance to the Lord who has assumed the form of transcendental lion.
Thank you so much, Satvik. So this is the last verse. With this, we have come to the end of the Narasimha Kavacham. And then at the end, we say this Iti Shri Brahmanda Purane Prahladoktam Shri Narasimha Kavacham Sampurnam. Sampurna means it's complete. Yeah. So this is how we end the Narasimha Kavacham. So I think we have less time, so we have to go to the Devanagari script class. So please practice, and then tomorrow we will recite the entire. Thank you, Mataji. Brinda Mataji, you can take over. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can you stop sharing this file?
Yeah.
Hare Krishna, can you all see the file?
Yes.
Yes. So far we learned the combinations of vowels and consonants. Today we are going to revise all of them. Okay? And you remember I told about ru verbally, which comes after u, the long u. So that also have added here. So we will recite that also, okay? And you don't have to write anything today, just repeat after me. I'm gonna share this file on the group. So you can also, if you want, you can write it at home or you can practice at home. Okay? Mataji, then can you unmute some of them so that I know that they are repeating?
Mataji, do you want to unmute everybody or only some people?
We can try with everybody. If you can please cooperate, just let's repeat together. But if it's going to be noisy, then we can unmute some of them.
You need to give this to me. That is my
Okay, so please repeat. Is the form of cow. Repeat after me. Can you all stop? All stop reciting. I think we have to mute all. I don't think it's Yeah. So I've muted all. Mataji, can you just unmute some of them? Not all of them, because I don't think it's working. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, sure, Mataji. I'm doing unmuting some kids.
Thank you, Mataji. Yeah. So please repeat. Kaka, kiki, kuku, kru, kekai, kau, kam, kaha. This is the ka consonant. Let's move to the next one. Kha, kha, ki, ki. So the first key is the short sound and the other one is the long sound. That you all remember, right? So say it accordingly. Ki, ki, ku, ku. Same with ku also. The first ku is a short sound, the second one is a long sound. So say it accordingly. Ku, kru, ke, khai, ko, kam, kaha. Now ga, ga, gi, gu, gru, ge, gai, go, gau, gam, gaha. Gha, gha, gi, gu, gru, ge, ghai, go, ghau, gam, ghaha. Okay, I'll move to the next slide. Cha, chi, chi, chu, chru, che, chai, cho, chau, cham, chaha. Very good. Cha, cha, chi, chu, true, che, chai, cho, chau, cham, chaha. Very good. Now next is ja, ja, ji, je, jai, jo, jau, jam, jaha. Very good. Next is jha, ji, Please repeat after me, okay? So that it doesn't look, sound noisy, okay? Ju. Jo jhau. Jam jaha. Yeah, so all the consonants will get repeated the same way, how we have the vowels. Anyone would like to try ta? Anyone would like to say?
Mataji, can Akshita go? Mataji, can Akshita go?
Those who have not said so far at all.
Ramachandra.
Me. Prahlad.
Prahlad, you want to go?
Yes, Mataji.
Others, please mute yourself. Yes, Prahlad. Yes, please go ahead.
Mataji, can I tell?
Tu.
True. True. You say this also, Prahlad. True.
True. Te, tai, to, tau, tam, taha.
Yes, correct. Prahlad, are you saying ta or ta?
I'm saying ta.
Ta, right? Ta. You have to touch your tongue up there. Not ta. When you say ta, you have to press your tongue between your teeth. But this is ta. That's clear, right, Prahlad?
Yes,
okay.
Mataji.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Prahlad. And next is tha. Who wants to go with tha?
Ramachandra.
Okay, Ramachandra, go ahead. Very good. Thank you.
Mataji, can I go next? Can I go? Mataji, can I go?
Say your name. Say your name and then.
Can I go?
Khushi, you want to go?
Yeah.
Please go.
Da, di, do, dru, te, dai, do, dau, dum, daha.
Do, dau, say it.
Do, dau.
Dum, daha, correct.
Your own here.
Thank you.
Mataji, can I do it? Satvik, do it. Can Anagya do it?
Okay, Anagya, go ahead.
Da, di, ru, dru, te, dai, do, dau, dum, daha.
Okay, Anagya, very good. You did it very good, but are you saying dha? Are you saying dha?
No, I'm saying dha.
No, it is dha. Can you say it? Dha?
Dha.
Dha. Little bit close to da, but we have to add her to the dha. Okay? Dha. Thank you. Who is next? Who wants to go next?
Can I do it, Mataji? Satvik?
Okay, Satvik. Satvik, go ahead.
Tha.
No. Are you saying no, Satvik?
I am.
Okay, I will say no. All of you please repeat. No, na.
No.
Ni.
Didi.
Nu.
No.
Nu. Ne, nai. No, now.
No.
Nam, naha.
Naha.
Okay. Please repeat. Ta, okay. Ta, ta.
Tha.
Ti.
Thi.
Tu. Tru. Te, tai. To, tau. Tam, taha. Anyone wants to say tha?
Mataji, can I say tha?
Mataji, can Akshita go?
Okay, Akshita, go ahead, Akshita.
Tha, ti, tau, to,
Thu,
tru, te, tai, tu, tau, tam, taha.
But Akshita, make sure you are saying tha and not ta. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, there is her sound here. Okay, there is a difference.
Mataji, can we go?
Oh, gee.
Next is the. Who wants to go with the?
Mataji,
Mataji.
I can like Mataji.
do the.
Can Bhakti want to go? Go ahead. So you want to go?
The, the, through, they, do, thou, them, the.
Very good. Thank you. I will say please repeat because we don't have much time.
The, the,
Dha, di, dhu, dhru, de, dhai, dho, dhau, tham, dha. Now no, na, ni, nu, nru, ne, nai, no, now, nam, naha. Mataji, Vinita Mataji, just let me know 2 minutes before you time is up. Okay?
This is Radhamma, this is
No.
Vinita Mataji.
You're both up.
Yes, Mataji.
How long we have? How much time we have?
It's almost over, Mataji. 1 minute. It's not
Okay,
even.
so I am going to share this file on a group. Unfortunately, we could not complete all the consonants. And tomorrow we are going to play a fun game based on this. So please practice at home. So everyone is there in the WhatsApp group, right? All of you
Yes,
are there?
Mataji.
So I'm going to share it. Please practice at home, okay? If you have any questions, please write it on the group. Is that okay?
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Please practice at home.
Mataji.
Okay. Thank you.
Mataji,
Mataji, you want to
Mataji, yes,
I
Mataji.
have time.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye, Mataji. Bye.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.